Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we're about to embark on a journey that will forever change how you view cinnamon. Often associated with delightful holiday treats and comforting desserts, cinnamon's reputation as a versatile and powerhouse spice goes beyond its sweet aroma. Join us as we unveil the hidden gems of cinnamon, exploring 12 extraordinary and unexpected uses that will leave you amazed. Get ready to discover the multi-dimensional wonders of this spice, from healing properties to pest control and beyond. Number 1. Soothe a stomachache. We're starting off our cinnamon journey with a remedy that's sure to resonate with everyone soothing stomach aches. Whether it's a result of overindulgence or a pesky virus, a cup of cinnamon tea can work wonders. But why, you ask? Cinnamon possesses natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can alleviate discomfort and aid digestion. To create this comforting tea, simply add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes, then strain and enjoy the relief. Number 2. Treat acne and blemishes. Who knew that our beloved spice could be a skincare hero too? Our second stop takes us into the realm of acne and blemish treatment. Cinnamon's potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory qualities come to the rescue here. By mixing a tablespoon of ground cinnamon with 3 tablespoons of manuka honey, you create a powerful paste that can combat acne and blemishes. Apply this mixture to the affected areas for about 10 minutes, rinse it off, and say hello to clearer, healthier skin. Remember, though, always perform a patch test before applying to your entire face, especially if you have sensitive skin. Number 3. Keep ants at bay. Have you ever battled an ant invasion in your home? Our third unexpected use of cinnamon provides a natural solution. Ants despise the scent of cinnamon, making it an eco-friendly pest repellent. By sprinkling cinnamon around entry points and ant-prone areas, you create a barrier these critters won't dare to cross. And if they're already inside? A sprinkle of cinnamon powder along their trails will make them think twice about staying. Number 4. Freshen your breath. Here's a delightful revelation. Cinnamon can freshen your breath. Beyond its delicious taste, cinnamon possesses natural antibacterial properties that combat oral bacteria responsible for bad breath. Chewing on a cinnamon stick or adding cinnamon powder to your meals stimulates saliva production, keeping your mouth fresh and clean. For an extra boost, try gargling with a cinnamon water solution. Your breath will thank you. Number 5. Curb cravings. The battle against cravings, we've all been there. But fear not, for cinnamon comes to the rescue once again. By incorporating cinnamon into your meals, you can naturally suppress your appetite and manage those pesky cravings. Sprinkle it onto your favorite foods like fruits, yogurt, oatmeal, or even your morning coffee. Not only will it infuse your meals with a unique flavor, but it will also keep you feeling satisfied for longer, aiding in your weight management goals. Number 6. Banish blackheads. Are blackheads putting a damper on your skincare routine? Enter cinnamon, your skin's new best friend. Creating an exfoliating scrub using equal parts oatmeal and ground cinnamon forms a powerhouse combination. Gently massage the mixture onto your face, paying special attention to areas prone to blackheads. Rinse it off with cold water, and voila! You'll unveil smoother, clearer skin that radiates confidence. Number 7. Treat athlete's foot. Ever considered cinnamon as a solution for fungal infections? For our 7th revelation, we delve into the world of athlete's foot treatment. Cinnamon's antimicrobial properties make it a worthy adversary against fungal conditions. By boiling 10 cinnamon sticks in 4 cups of water and then soaking your feet for about 20 minutes, you can provide relief and combat the itchiness associated with athlete's foot. Number 8. Plump up your lips. Calling all beauty enthusiasts. Have you ever dreamed of fuller lips without resorting to invasive procedures? Look no further than cinnamon. By mixing a small amount of cinnamon with Vaseline and applying it to your lips, you can achieve a natural, plumper appearance. The cinnamon stimulates blood flow, leading to temporary swelling that gives you that coveted pout. Number 9. Repel moths. Say goodbye to the frustration of moths infiltrating your wardrobe. Our 9th revelation introduces cinnamon as a natural moth repellent. Moths detest the scent of cinnamon, making it an excellent choice to protect your clothes. Creating sachets with cinnamon sticks, black peppercorns, and whole cloves and placing them in your closet or drawers can keep your clothing safe and smelling divine. Number 10. Protect your orchids. Host. Enlightening. Orchid enthusiasts, brace yourselves for this one. Our 10th use of cinnamon involves nurturing your precious orchids. Whether it's healing wounds on leaves or combating fungal growth, cinnamon comes to the rescue. Sprinkling ground cinnamon directly on leaf wounds aids in healing, while a homemade cinnamon tea spray acts as a gentle fungicide. Embrace healthier, happier orchids with this natural approach. Number 11. Fight yeast infections. Addressing a sensitive topic, our 11th revelation sheds light on cinnamon's potential to combat yeast infections. Candida, meet cinnamon. With its ability to inhibit bacteria growth, cinnamon can help restore your body's natural balance. Sipping on cinnamon tea twice daily can contribute to your journey to relief and renewed comfort. Number 12. Remove odors. Fresh and clean. Our final stop showcases cinnamon's role in maintaining a fresh and inviting home environment. Bid farewell to lingering odors using cinnamon's delightful aroma. By simmering ground cinnamon or cinnamon sticks in a saucepan with water, you release its fragrance, eliminating unwanted smells naturally and beautifully. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of 12 unexpected uses of cinnamon that elevate it from a dessert spice to an indispensable tool in various aspects of our lives. Who knew that a simple spice could hold such diverse wonders? Remember, while cinnamon is undoubtedly remarkable, it's essential to use it responsibly and consult professionals for specific health concerns. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of cinnamon. If you found this video both informative and enjoyable, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow spice enthusiasts. To stay updated with more intriguing content, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Until next time, keep exploring the extraordinary uses of everyday ingredients, and let the magic of cinnamon continue to inspire and amaze you. Thank you and see you in the next video.